So today I decided to show you guys how to replace a bathtub or a shower spout. This one down here is called a spout. You might have it in your shower or you might have it in your bathtub. Before I start, let me explain to you something. Sometimes you see that water drips after turning the handle off for a shower or for a bathtub. Water drips from the spout. That problem most likely is not related to your spout. That problem most likely belongs to the shower faucet that you have something wrong with it. So, or the cartridge might need to be replaced, or something else might be wrong with it, right? So, but if you have problem with your spout and you know that's 100% the spout that needs to be replaced, you should know that we have two most common type of shower spouts. Let me just open this one. So we have a type of spout that is threaded, and all you need to do is that to unthread the old one and replace it with a new one. So thread the new one in, right? But today we are not dealing with such a spout. The spout that we have here has a screw down below. So how do I know that if it's the one that I need an Allen key to open it, or if it's the one that is threaded? So I simply put my hand around the shower spout and I can feel down below with my finger. I can feel that there is a screw. So I know this is the type that I need an Allen key to undo it, right? So if you guys can see down below the spout, there is the screw. All I need is an Allen key to undo it. So I'm gonna find where it is. I'm gonna put my Allen key. It's a little bit difficult because you can't see that because it's facing toward the floor. So once you got the idea that where approximately it is, you need to fit your Allen key. Let me take a look. There we go. So I'm gonna undo it. When you do it a couple of threads, then it loses itself. Now all you need to do is turn it upside down like this, and now you can see the Allen key on top, right? So now it's easier to work, right? I can put the my Allen key here and I can unscrew it. There we go. I don't need to unscrew it all the way. Now I can pull the spout out. So let me see that, let me double check, make sure that you guys can see everything. Okay, so now I can see that the plumber used some silicone. All I need is a scraper or a utility knife to get rid of the silicone that they have around the spout in here. And after it's all done, all I need to do is, let me make sure that you guys can see, right? This is the way that I do it, right? Let me just move the camera, sorry for that, yeah? So I put the spout upside down, I push it all the way in, I make sure it's straight. They did a bad job, they did not put the pipe straight, but anyway. So I push it as far as I can, and then I tighten the screw to a point, not all the way though, remember, okay? To a point, there we go. It's not bad now. So then I remove my Allen key and I turn it, right, like this. There we go. Now it's just a couple of threads that I need to do from down below because it's a bit difficult to do all the work from down below. So that's why I just there we go. Okay, so it is tight all the way now. That's it. So we removed the old spout, we replaced it with a new one. That was pretty simple and easy to do. You remember that you're supposed to remove the old silicone, and if there is a gap or something, it's always a good thing to re-silicone around the spout that no water can get behind the wall from here, right? Anyway, thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for my future videos.